Morning, ladies and gentlemen. I read the agenda from two meetings ago. It was passed in T-Rail, and on that agenda I'm raising a point of order about this forum. It was unilaterally decided. I had spoken on something before. I was then unable to address what that was. It wasn't recorded in the minutes what it was. This is our forum, so if we need to change the rules out there, then with the new CEO coming along, I would suggest that the CEO could chair the forum so that the public get free and frank conversation with elected members. What I wanted to speak about was something that was in the newspaper on the Wednesday, and I was coming to council on Thursday to let elected members talk to me about something the Mayor and myself had been recorded in the newspaper. You were not able to ask that question because the Mayor chose that I was not to speak. I changed it to something else which is upcoming, and you're in the process of deliberating that with regards to the new CEO, and I wasn't able to speak on that. So those two things are new things because they are happening in the future, and they are not something that's already been spoken about or council staff are working on. So that's my point of order. I do appreciate being able to speak today. You may have spoken in T-Rail about this public forum. So my suggestion and recommendation is that when the new CEO comes, the new CEO gets to chair the meeting so all elected members can sit back and relax in an informal, and then that way you don't have the politics playing games of who gets to speak and who doesn't. So that would be my suggestion, but I just wanted to raise that with you. But I do appreciate Your Worship the Mayor allowing me to speak today to address that. So I do stand here humbly, if you like, and so that's just going forward. The most important thing that you do as elected members is elect a new Chief Executive Officer, and that person I hope for means good elections in our district. So the brightest and best are the ones that are sitting around our table. So that's what I'm suggesting, that we get a good, vibrant CEO to, just like that person was saying earlier, so that we get some really good debates and stuff going. The last CEO, we do have a litany of overrides.
Mr. Young, I'm going to terminate you there. We don't speak about elected members and or staff, so I am going to terminate your presentation there. Thank you. Right, thank you people. We are now going to move on to items